It's annoying. Guess this thing will just be a shelf queen in the garage. Bring my Sony out here again. Sony's back in the house. It was in the lower 40s, upper 30s. So I didn't plug it in. I'm going to let it equalize or something. Get to room temperature before I plug it in. This one too. What?
Remember the sharpened sword that Bert wears?
Oh. Almost time to turn this thing on. What are you talking about?
Is
Is this empty or is that my new one? No, that's my new one. That's. Anyway, I tried to glue the RCA grill cloth, but it didn't work.
No, mine were
Nathaniel's up there now. Nothing! Junk! Dimension for the win. I don't care. Going back to 1965. Same year as that RCA Victor table radio. That was cool. You can even see the misconvergence. If you didn't see my handycam video, me being obsessive with the zoom, that's cool though. You can see the phosphors. The farther you are away, the better it is, it would seem. Watch, let's get close up. See? Blur. Wait along. You're watching Heartland. Damn, it's cold. Fire! Oh, cool. I've been wanting to hear this one. Love those big drums. Big drum sounds are awesome. Any genre. Ground Bully Records. Daniel Davis. Video about the RCA Victor radio that turned into a vlog. They turn their Christmas lights off after midnight or something lame like that. Got the GE radio here. That's made by GE too. Branded Realistic, has the same good quality switches. Really nice clunk sound. Ooh, it's the V Westlife Special. Anyway, yeah, this is made by General Electric. Listen to the switch. Oh, trim your fingernails. Yeah, I'm busy. Pipe organ. Reception kind of sucks and the tuner's kind of crappy. See? Couldn't get the stations that great. Anyway. Quality. This is made in Malaysia. Printed in Malaysia. We did a video on this in the garage. Date code. This is how you decipher the date code. Thanks, V Westlife. Now, Christmas lights. No, we don't have Christmas lights. We have all our decorations in the house. It's been inside since 4 something. Before 4. This needs to warm up a bit. Solid state, but it's been in the cold garage where all the stuff is. Move the Trinitron in there, even though it's not much colder outside than it is in the garage. Almost said garage. Some Canadians say. Speaking of Canadians, Hitachi. Mostly fans 0321, that's how he says it. I think that's how you say it. And Matsushita. Blurry vision.
Homicide, life on the street. Coming up next.
Have I seen this one on this set before? We will see. If not, the sharp's gonna go off. I'm gonna watch on the Philips Magnavox.
Swing low, sweet
Nope, that answers that.
After
It's not the worst one.
Wow.
Yeah, RF on some of these Philips Magnavox sets. RF is really dim. Okay, let's... I've had some of them that weren't like that. Don't need to plug in the red one for this set. Okay, so a while ago, figured out how to defeat the black crush. Picture / contrast low, brightness high, and the blacks won't be crushed. How about a Sony Trinitron cold start? Get ready. Let's point it at the top. Nice. Video. Yep. Been outside for months. Close up with aperture grill, CRT. Nice. So far we've done regular CRTs, dot mask, now aperture grill. Nice. Samsung TV, 16 years old now. Here's a Trinitron, bringing it in my room. Because it's 35 degrees, it's not going to get any... No, it is going to get lower. Wow. It's editing the video that was recorded yesterday. It's after midnight, and... Yeah, the lights are off. How lame. Here's her on. Nice. I don't know why they turn them off. That's my only complaint about the new neighbors.